When I'm out shopping, I often find myself picking up the foods labelled with no. Typically for me, it's no sugar. But when I do, I pick it up, flip it over and realise the stuff this contains is much worse than if it just had the sugar in by itself. But whether it's low sugar, no fat, low sodium, the issue is normally the same. One thing is removed and it's replaced by something else, whether to compensate for texture, taste, flavour. The issue is that then you're normally presented with artificial flavours, sweeteners and additives that are more harmful for your health than the original ingredients were in the first place, just for the fact it can be sold as no of whatever that ingredient may be. For example, the low or no sugar foods that I typically pick up are chocolate bars, and whilst they may have no sugar, they're filled with artificial sweeteners to compensate, some of which can have a negative impact on your gut microbiome, which is vital for digestion. And I myself notice it the next day. Normally I've got very good flow, but then all of a sudden everything's blocked up, and it's these kind of things that are the cause. Natural foods don't need labels. They don't need to be said that they're not this or not that. They're just good for you. However, when something's advertised as know this, just be cautious. Often it can be worse than what it's trying to replace.